Well, hello, welcome back. Welcome to another wonderfully normal video. It's been a while. Didn't really see the point in vlogging as we couldn't travel, we couldn't go out and hang out with friends or family. It's crazy. While everyone else kind of like people stopped going to work or everything kind of slowed down or stopped. Cynthia and I both work in the hospital, so things seemed to kind of ramp up for us, so we really didn't have the time to do any of this. But while all that stuff was going on, Cynthia and I bought our first home, which I'm vlogging from right now. I'm not gonna give you a tour. We're still unpacking, so the house is a little bit messy. We've been here for about 3 weeks, and got a lot of projects and stuff planned. So that is the focus for today. And probably will be the focus for a lot of these upcoming videos, is like all these things that we're going to put together and build and change in the house. So hopefully that's somewhat interesting. So let's go! So today's project is this ring toss game. Cynthia and I play, there's this resort that we go to for our anniversary in Palm Springs every year that has this game by the pool, and we love it. We have such a good time playing that thing. It's kind of addicting. So we thought, oh, that'd be fun to build into the side of the house. So that is my project for today. It's the only project I have scheduled today. I'm not going to overdo it today, but that is what we're going to do. Let's go. Doing this elbow bracket right here. Of course, I'm doing this in the middle of the day, and I didn't charge my drill, so I'm just gonna hand crank this until I sweat to death. I know that the bracket fits on the wood. I'm gonna stain it, make it look pretty. Stained. So now I'm going to do the part that I'm probably most nervous about, which is drilling into the side of the house. Got it. The majority of the game is up now. I'm inside now to drink some water because it's so hot, and then I'm gonna be attaching this little guy here, and I gotta tie a knot with fishing line, but I don't need to do that outside. I can do it inside. All right, got it. I filmed it, but it's not even remotely exciting. So now we need to screw it to the bottom of the wood, and then figure out the distance so that it barely hooks onto the ring, which will be in the wall. That will make it challenging. Ooh, not even close. Oh. Oh no. There it is. Oh! Oh! Finally. That was a very fun project, mostly because I know Cynthia really wanted one in the house, or outside the house. Took me about 3 hours. It's super sunny, so I am certain that I have gotten burnt or at least some color on me. But it's in, and now I wait for Cynthia to get home and play with it. I know she's looking forward to that. Couldn't even get the camera out fast enough. She came home, she went right to the backyard. She hasn't even changed yet. How we doing? Come on, you can do this. Whoa.
Can't go to sleep until I get it.
Nope. You don't get dinner. Whoa. So after play testing it was too long. Well, it was too hard for someone.
No, it wasn't too hard. It wasn't a natural feeling to it.
So we shortened it, moved it in about a foot, shortened the string. It's a little more comfortable. It doesn't go like ride the ground like it was before. Oh! Oh! I get dinner. I get dinner.
Go make dinner.
So the new drinking game for this particular game, the house rules are, you get 5 attempts at hooking the ring. If you miss all 5, you take a shot. Try as many as you can, but every 5th one you miss, shot. She'd be like 10 shots in, at least, by now.
At least.
Psst. Psst. Cynthia said that while the camera wasn't rolling, she hooked the game 4 times. Did you?
Yeah. 5 times.
5 times is what you're claiming.
I did.
I don't know. I didn't catch any of it on camera, so we'll have to see. But apparently she's very good at this game when no one's looking. Anyways.
You're rude.
People won't believe you. Okay, that's it. Welcome back. Goodbye.